In this video, let's talk about when to use wheel spacers.
Honda Civic wheel spacers are used to increase the distance between the wheel hub and the outer edge of the wheel, to improve appearance, to enhance handling and performance, to fit lower wheels or tires on your vehicle, to avoid rubbing or clearance issues with your wheels or tires. The appearance of your Honda Civic is a matter of personal preference and taste, but many people agree that the spacers can improve the look of your Civic by changing its stance and proportions. Wheel spacers can make your wheels more flush with the fenders, creating a more aggressive and sporty look. They can also make your wheels more visible and noticeable, highlighting their design and style. The handling and performance of your Honda Civic are affected by various factors, such as your suspension system, steering system, brake system. Wheel spacers can affect these factors by changing the geometry and dynamics of your Honda Civic, increasing the clearance of your wheels or tires. The clearance of your wheels or tires is the amount of space that allows them to move freely without rubbing against your fenders or other parts of your Honda Civic. You need to have enough clearance for your wheels or tires to accommodate the suspension travel, steering angle, tire flex, and load variations. Wheel spacers can increase the clearance of your wheels or tires by pushing them outward, away from the inner edge of your fenders, creating the offset of your wheels or tires. The offset of your wheels or tires is the distance between the centerline of the wheel or tire and the mounting surface of the hub. The offset of your wheels or tires affects how they sit under your fenders, as well as how they affect your Honda Civic handling and performance. Wheel spacers can correct the offset of your wheels or tires by changing their position relative to the hub.
If you have any question about the wheel spacers, leave your comment, give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Turn on notifications, and as always, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.